Terengganu Menteri Besar Ahmad Samsuri Mokhtar has apologized for his absence during the critical phases of the massive floods that hit Terengganu recently. In a press conference this evening, the past lawmaker acknowledged that no excuses can justify his absence nor fix the current situation.
Saya juga faham bahawa walau apa jua penjelasan yang saya berikan, penjelasan saya sudah tentu tidak bermakna apa-apa. Walau bagaimanapun, saya ingin sebut sebagai rekod bahawa saya teliti suasana yang berlaku mengenai banjir ini dari setiap masa dan ketika, dan saya membuat keputusan untuk meneruskan perjalanan ke luar negara setelah berlaku tanda penurunan.
Samsuri said this after visiting flood victims in Kemaman earlier today after his arrival from New Zealand. Earlier, Samsuri said that his administration started preparing months before the floods hit. He admitted that there were shortcomings in the flood management due to the extreme flood situation this time around. These include delays in the victims receiving food packs and issues concerning relocation between flood relief centers. He also announced a 1,000 ringgit cash aid to heads of households who are registered as victims of the flood and 10,000 ringgit for those who lost their loved ones to the floods.